Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube, where video notifications of new doll installations are published weekly. This week's installations include a 21-inch papier-mâché smiling boy doll by Leo Moss from the late 1800s to early 1900s. The second installation this week is Florence, a 30-inch vinyl and cloth doll made in Italy by Furga during the 1990s. The third installation this week is Jamaica by Kelly RuBert, a numbered limited edition porcelain and cloth doll with inset hazel eyes. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated. So please let us know in a comment to this video which doll is your favorite for this week. Thanks.